So another 30 minutes later, we're getting down. It looks like there's ferns here, so it's got to be some kind of rainforesty environment. It's better be better than that trickling waterfall we saw there. Otherwise we just wasted half a day walking. Not really wasted, half a day walking, because we got exercise and sore knees out of it. But we've got to see something. There's got to be some kind of reward, because if this is it, then I'm going to be very disappointed. I need some action, something happening, some kind of animal that's not loud, something that we haven't seen before, like a grizzly bear. That would be something. No, it's actually not a bad walk. Get all these kind of overhanging cliffs and stuff, but I've only got a little bit of battery and not much space left on this camera, and I used the other camera up. I deleted stuff and reloaded it up with crap, and then I'll edit it to make a 2-minute movie. Oh, here we go. I can see water here from here. Oh, this is mad. Oh, this was worth it. This is sick. Look, under the overhanging rocks. It's gonna get wet in a minute. Oh yeah, this is cool. Alright. I think we're gonna make it all the way down there. We've come this far. We're gonna have to go all the way. Oh, look at that. I like a good route, and that's a beauty. Look at that. That's a ripper. It's all wet too. Oh look, stepping stones. Wow, this is like something out of a video game. What do they call it? Temple Run. This is like Temple Run. Well, I'm gonna get my camera. I don't want to get wet. Oh man. We're gonna do the Temple Run. Run. Let that run. They're not slippery. It's only water. It's alright when someone else gets wet. Oh, look at these trees, they're mad. It's real high trying to get the light. That's pretty cool. Just watch these, they're wet as, whoa, muddy. Oh, we might have to go back that way. Oh, this is sick. I wonder if this is where I came once to put my initials in the tree when I was like 16 or something. Oh, what a mad place. So I'm not disappointed much. Turn this off, put it back on in a minute. Yeah, so we're almost there now. Got a bit of water falling down there. That's pretty cool. Little beach. And go for a swim. There's a tree with a rock overhanging. We're right under it. Oh, that's mad. More water falling. More Temple Run, look, more Temple Run steps. I'm going for a swim. So that was worth 2.5 hour walk. That's pretty cool. Water's pretty clear. Whoa, very nice. Sand, more trees, tall trees. I'm guessing that runs over to the other waterfall. Beautiful. Lucky you convinced me to come here and have a look at this. Very nice. Might have to take a selfie here in a minute. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this at the log. There's a log with moss. Dun dun dun.